Hi, my name is Dr. Rajesh. I am a senior orthopedic surgeon at Care Hospital. So I work as a team with SRS Ortho. So our team consists of 3 orthopedic surgeons, Dr. Srinivas, myself Dr. Rajesh and Dr. Santosh Ram. We are one of the few teams in Telugu states who offer specialty based orthopedic services. I'll just brief you about our scope of services and our expertise. Dr. Srinivas is our arthroscopic surgeon. He does all ACL, PCL reconstructions arthroscopically and even arthroscopic shoulder rotator cuff repair and surgeries for recurrent shoulder dislocations. He even is expert in joint preservation techniques and orthobiologics, which include bone marrow stem cell therapy and PRP therapy. Coming to Dr. Santosh Ram, he's our trauma expert. He does a lot of complex and revision trauma and neglected cases. People do send him a lot of cases because of his higher success rate with failed and complex trauma. And we even have 24/7 trauma services at Care Hospitals, Visakhapatnam. Myself, I am Dr. Rajesh. I am more into orthoplasty. My expertise lies over there. Orthoplasty in general terms, joint replacement. I do knee, hip, even partial knee replacement and a reverse shoulder also, including revision replacement surgeries. We even use the robo in our replacement surgeries to get a better result of the patient. And our protocol starts immediately day 1 after surgery, which involves a physiotherapist, and we see to that the patient is pain free and upon his legs and is walking before discharge. We have a good physiotherapy and critical care team, which will make the patient surgical journey a painless one. So our SRS ortho services are available at Care Hospital Visakhapatnam. We are a one-stop solution for all the orthopedic problems. Thank you.